Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, this will be a very short unboxing, but more jade has arrived and I'm sure you've heard me in my last few videos, a couple of videos back. I've been buying some jade jewelry. These are predominantly earrings. I'm waiting for a couple of bracelets to arrive with other orders that are being made, custom made, but I have been very influenced by Kat L from Singapore. But if you have been watching Kat L or if you've been following her, you know she's also like into jade as well recently. And I've been watching one of her lives where she interviewed one of the sellers in Singapore about their jade jewelry. I will link that video down just so you can go and have a look at the offerings that Little Jadeite House have. So this is from Little Jadeite House and there's 3 pairs. Wow, there's a lot of packaging for 3 little pairs of earrings. But I'm so, oh, they all came in boxes. Nice. Okay, a little cloth to wipe them down, and I always wipe my jewelry down before they go back to storage, especially the earring post, because that's where the ears have been, you know, they've been through some, there'll be like dead skin cells and oils and things like that. Okay, so let's see the first one. Let me see first. Oh yes, no, I'm going to like keep that one for last. Okay, yes, I know what this one is. Oh my god, they're so cute. Let me just bring them out. They are little goldfish. I'm not sure if you can, I can't even like, they're like little goldfish. Can you see? I'll have to take a photo for you all. Like, I don't know, on a pale background or something. And they're sort of this beautiful, oh my goodness, orangey color. There's a pair, okay? So, oh my goodness, they're so cute. Okay, let's quickly put them on. They are tiny. I knew they're gonna be tiny, but they're so cute. They're like little, it is goldfish, and that's the eyes and the body and the tail. And okay, let's put them on. They're so cute and tiny. Oh, I love orange. Okay. Okay, I'm just trying to put it. Can't tell. Maybe little fish. It's so cute. Okay, let's open the other one. Oops. These are somewhat a little bit bigger. Normally, I prefer yellow gold, 18 karat yellow gold, but these are white gold setting, but they're little pale yellow butterflies. And I like how the backing on the butterflies and the fishes are different. The fish has a full back, which then I didn't realize that, but it's okay. I would have preferred if it was sort of like a clear back so I can see the light through it. Yeah, just for the sake of translucency. Oh my goodness, how cute. Like little butterflies. Let's put them on. Oh, yes, these are a lot more obvious, but they're so cute too. Like, they're like okay, let's put them away. Let's open up the third one. This is like, oh, so pretty. Oops. Okay, hang on, let me see. How do I, okay, here we go. They're little dangles. I always love dangle earrings, and they're little heart like shape with a 4-leaf clover sort of, I'm going yeah, 4-leaf clover sort of set with tiny little diamonds. And this is what they call icy, meaning, and I really like white jade, clear. They look like little eyes. But I've been so looking forward to this pair of heart earrings. Oh, they're nice and tight, the earring backs, which is good. 18 karat, if I'm not wrong, I think it's rose gold. Wow, there's quite a fair few tiny little diamonds. If I'm not wrong, there's like maybe 2 or 3 little diamonds in the clover. They're tiny, but let's have a look. Oh yes, this is nice. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's nice and tight, which is good. That means it's going to be hard to fall out, because you know, when I take scarves off and things like that. Okay, yes, so oh, this is so pretty. Okay, so yes, this video is barely 7 minutes long, but I think this is so elevated. Oh my gosh, with the diamonds, it's absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Just, yeah, it does. It gives it a bit of sparkle, because diamonds, because actually without the, what do you say, without the diamonds, jade itself is sort of not sparkly. Not sort of, it's not sparkly. Okay, so you may not feel like it's got any sparkles at all, but oh, I'm absolutely loving these. Yeah, it's nice with a little bit of diamond. It just, it does sort of draw the attention, because it's got little, yeah, sparkles to it. Okay, well, I am having a pair of earrings made only because they are having a sale. Like, I have been having a few days of IG sale, and I've bought a pair of unset carvings with cranes, and I'm not sure if I wanted diamonds or not. So only because I haven't seen what a pair set with diamonds are. So I have now. Initially I said no diamonds. Maybe I will set it with diamonds after all, only because I think the diamonds just give it that, just makes it that little bit more elevated. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is my favorite pair. Okay, well, thank you for watching, everyone. Yes, look, 8 minutes, my shortest video so far. More jade to come, I promise. Thank you. Well, see you in the next video, everyone. Bye.